Hello, friends. It's a wonderful opportunity to be with you all on this virtual platform to share about social work, a faith-based approach. I'm Jahara. I work with Henry Martin Institute on different issues related to interfaith dialogue, peace building, and reconciliation. To begin with, I would also like to share about myself. I've been working with Henry Martin Institute for more than 2 decades in the areas of interfaith dialogue at the community level. I would also like to share with you all different issues related to social work. One of the practical things is about social work is a practice-based profession and an academic discipline that promotes social change and development, social cohesion, and the empowerment and liberation of people. One of the areas that we really look forward is that there's a lot of gender discrimination that goes on, caste-based discrimination, religious discrimination, migration, refugees, and migrant concerns. These are the major concerns that have really emphasized on the issues of faith-based social work to be developed as such. And social work and is an emerging need. There's an emerging need for faith-based approach. And Henry Martin Institute is one of the institutes which has pioneered in the areas of interfaith dialogue and interfaith relations. It has been established in 1930s in the area of teaching and research. Presently, it is also focusing on interfaith relations and reconciliation under the dynamic leadership of Reverend Dr. T. Samuel, who has really expanded the entire arenas of practice as well as the academic approaches to social work and theological studies. The HMI visions is about peace as a goal, justice as a perspective, reconciliation as a methodology. This is what we focus in the area of Henry Martin Institute. HMI aims at promoting interfaith relations and reconciliation among people of different faiths and culture. In doing so, we do take up a lot of variety of programs like academic programs, praxis programs. Academic programs include teaching in masters in theology, diploma courses, and variety of tailor-made courses to suit the needs of the people. At the same time, we have also added up doctoral studies in theology. Praxis work is related to the lot of organizing of seminars, conferences, and meetings and dialogue meetings with the people who encounter the issues of violence, peace-related concerns. This is what we do it. At the same time, we also have community development programs wherein we undertake different programs related to women development, children's development, youth development to address the issues of peace building at the community level. In doing so, we do take up different approaches related to social work, such as casework, group work, community organization. And these are the issues that, as I have just mentioned, about children's education and health, gender issues, youth issues, and which also lead to the interfaith and peace building issues at the community level. This is our main focus area. In doing so, we also encourage to be in partnership and networking with different organizations. The first focus would be on social work colleges, since social work is the most emerging profession which caters to the needs of the people. We work with the social work students, colleges in Hyderabad, Telangana, as well as in different parts of India. With the theological institutions, with local, national, and international NGOs, NGOs with specific causes like women's development, children's care, education, health, different government programs like health programs, developmental programs, and as well as with different philanthropists who are interested in the interfaith dialogue. We work with the emphasis to see that there's to bring about a lot of change in the community, to see that there's a lot of development in the community, empower the people, progress and development of the society, and ultimately we also aim at interfaith dialogue and peace building at the community level as well as in the society at large. This is what is about our work since 2 decades, and also we also emphasize right now on aspiring for the future plan is to have a master's course in social work at our own institute. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thanks a lot.